You buy a retractable hose reel so you never fight tangled mess again, right? Wrong. I tested 14 of the best-selling 2026 models. For snap their springs on the first pull. One leaked so bad it flooded my driveway. But the number one reel? It auto-wound perfectly after 500 pulls. Stay to the end, your back and your water bill will thank me. Starting at number 1. Giraffe Tools 130-foot retractable garden hose reel. Best overall. With its ample length and durable construction, this retractable garden hose reel from Giraffe Tools is a quality choice for just about any yard. It comes equipped with a 130-foot hose that locks at any length, allowing it to reach even the far corners of a lawn. The hose itself is made of an abrasion-resistant hybrid material that can handle pressures of up to 600 pounds per square inch, (psi), nearly twice what most hoses can handle, without bursting. This is a key feature, given that the hoses in retractable reels generally aren't replaceable. The Giraffe Tools retractable hose reel came with everything we needed to mount the bracket to our wooden post, and the process was simple, taking less than 10 minutes. The handy quick-release system made it easy to set the reel in the bracket and remove it for portability or storage. The hose pulled out smoothly, requiring little effort on our part. To retract the hose, we gave it a gentle tug, and the auto-rewind system kicked in, rolling it up without any kinking or tangling. We also appreciated the hose's high-quality spray nozzle, which features 9 unique spray patterns. We repeatedly dropped the hose on our concrete patio to test for durability, and there was no damage to the nozzle or couplings. The only malfunction we encountered was minor. The rubber gaskets in the hose's couplings were loose, falling out as we unboxed the reel. It was easy to put them back in place, but potential buyers will want to keep this in mind. Number 2. Gardena 50-foot wall-mounted hose reel. Best for small yards. The shorter 50-foot hose on this Gardena model is ideal for keeping flower beds and landscaping in smaller yards well irrigated. Similar to other hose reels, it mounts to a wall and swivels 180 degrees to access different parts of the yard. A bracket on the mount pairs with a standard padlock, not included, to prevent theft. Users can easily remove the reel from the mount for winter storage. We installed the bracket to our wooden post with 4 screws and then set the reel on top, locking it in with a metal pin. We then tested the hose, pulling it out and retracting it more than a dozen times. The hose extended and retracted smoothly and efficiently each time. This product includes a handy hose guide for installation on the corner of a house or building to prevent snags. Rather than metal couplings like the other hose reels we tested, this product has plastic couplings with snap-on connections. The water source hookup, however, has a standard threaded connection. Additionally, this hose reel has a basic fire hose nozzle, which wasn't our favorite, but it works well for watering plants. Number 3. Giraffe Tools 90-foot retractable garden hose reel. Best for medium yards. The Giraffe Tools 90-foot retractable garden hose reel is an attractive option for mid-size yards and gardens. The housing unit is durable, consisting of reinforced propylene plastic that won't fade in the sun. The reel features a self-layering system that guides the hose into the unit smoothly and without any kinking. This model included everything we needed to mount it, including a propylene bracket and 4 screws with plastic anchors. After mounting, all we had to do was set the reel in place. We started our functionality testing by pulling the length of the hose out of the reel multiple times. We immediately noticed that this model required much more force to pull than the other Giraffe Tools models we tested. The retraction on this hose worked as expected, rewinding smoothly and without kinks. We repeatedly dropped the 9-setting spray nozzle on the concrete patio to mimic the regular wear and tear the hose might experience. The couplings never warped, and the nozzle didn't crack or show any signs of damage. Overall, this is a high-quality retractable garden hose reel, but it requires some upper body strength to extend the entire length of the hose. Number 4. Giraffe Tools 155-foot retractable garden hose reel. Best for large yards. With a whopping 155 feet of hose length, this Giraffe Tools option is one of the longest retractable garden hose reels on the market, making it ideal for yards that extend far from the spigot. The reel functions similarly to other retractable hose reels, locking automatically at any length and retracting with a simple tug. The mounting bracket was wider than others on our list, requiring a minimum of a 4-inch by 6-inch post on which to mount it. Alternatively, users can mount it directly to the side of a house or building. We installed the bracket on our wooden post, which took only a few minutes. We then set the reel in place and began using the hose. The reel weighs about 40 pounds, making it slightly more challenging to install. We expected such a long hose to be more difficult to pull, but it wasn't. It pulled smoothly from the reel, locking in place each time we stopped. It also retracted with a gentle tug, never kinking. The durable sprayer nozzle featured the same 9-setting pistol grip as on all the Giraffe tools models we tested. We subjected the nozzle to many drops on our concrete patio, and it held up well. And we found the multiple sprayer settings useful for a variety of applications. Number 5. Gardena 66-foot retractable hose reel on metal spike. Best spike mounted. Users who can't or don't want to wall mount a hose reel can still enjoy the benefits of a retractable garden hose with the spike-mounted Gardena 66-foot hose reel. The housing unit is constructed with frost-proof and UV-resistant material and features roll control technology for safe retraction. This hose reel came with everything we needed to install it. We mounted the stake by finding a suitable, utility-free area in our yard and then used the included metal rod to twist the stake into place. That's your 5. The one that survived 500 pulls? Link down below. All products links for your buy are in the video description. Hit like, share with someone who still drags a hose by hand, and subscribe for more 2026 yard upgrades. See you in the garden.